Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking all about refreshing your living room for spring. Spring is a season of transformation, letting go of the old and welcoming the new. So why not reflect that energy in your favorite space? Sometimes all it takes is one standout piece to completely transform your living room. Think of something bold and unique. A sculptural coffee table, an oversized floor lamp, or even a beautifully crafted centerpiece. Let that piece set the tone for the rest of the room. Spring cleaning doesn't just mean dusting off surfaces, it's about letting go of the clutter that's holding your space back. Take a moment to reimagine your layout. Can you move your seating to create a more open, welcoming vibe? Your living room should be your sanctuary, a place where you unwind and recharge. Consider adding plush throws, soft cushions, or a cozy area rug to make it feel inviting and comfortable. Spring transformation doesn't mean going overboard with decor. Sometimes, less is more. Create a sense of calm by choosing pieces that bring a feeling of balance and harmony. Soft lighting and natural elements can work wonders in setting the mood. Transformation isn't just about changing the look, it's about making your space feel more like you. Incorporate items that tell your story, whether it's family photos, travel souvenirs, or handcrafted decor pieces. And that's how you can transform your living room for spring 2025. Remember, spring is all about renewal and starting fresh, so let your space feel as revitalized as you do. If you enjoyed these tips, and I hope our style fits your home, hit the like button. Subscribe for more decorating ideas. Until next time, thank you.